What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2013 Dodge Dart. Just finished doing the blower motor on this thing, but I went ahead and put this back up. So basically what you want to do is you come over here to the passenger side, and once you get to the passenger side, you want to get your fingers underneath this panel. Pop. You got the 2 clips. Well, it's supposed to be 3 clips, but on this one's it's missing. You got the 3 clips. You pull this on out of there, and the cabin filter is right here. So you got this little bolt, well, this little nut, screw, whatever you want to call it. That's a 5.5, which is really small and really odd, but it's a 5.5. Go ahead and take that out. There's a little clip at the bottom. Push that up and you pull that out. Oh my god, camera angle was terrible on that. But so after you get the little bolt out, you pull up and you push this tab at the bottom and you pull that out, and then wow, I don't even think this needs to be changed. I think it's perfect, honestly. Look at that, beautiful. Look at all that dust flying everywhere. So I always like to get everything out. So first thing you do, you make sure they're the same size first. They're the same size. And you take this, and then you just insert this in. Just like so. And it lines up perfectly. You take the cover after you knock all the nasty shit off, and let's see. Alright, come on out of there. Alright. Here you go. After you get that into place, you throw bolt back in there. There you go. And then you can see there's a slot right here, and there's also a little tab down there. So that tab, can you see, or is there, that tab, you slide into the slot first. Once you get that in the slot, get that up there, and clip that into place. And that's how you successfully install a cabin filter on a 2013 Dodge Dart. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like, and thank you so much for watching.